case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A clash between Professional Bull Riders, Inc., PBR, and AutoZone, Inc. made its way to the 2005 Colorado Supreme Court, drawing attention to nuanced details within contractual law. The crux of the dispute revolved around a curious question. If a verbal agreement extends beyond a year, but includes a clause allowing termination within the year, does the statute of frauds apply? The repercussions of this case would gauge the court's interpretation of an age-old law in a modern-day context. The quarrel stemmed from a verbal agreement AutoZone allegedly made with PBR to sponsor PBR events for 2 years. The twist lies in the detail that AutoZone had the option to discontinue the sponsorship after just a year. As fate would depict, AutoZone didn't trigger this escape clause, but subsequently informed PBR they wouldn't be continuing their sponsorship anyway. Meanwhile, PBR, navigating an uncertain contract, proceeded to utilize AutoZone's name, which acted as the catalyst for an impending lawsuit. The court was now tasked with consolidating the validity of this verbal agreement in relation to Denver's statute of frauds, which mandates that some contracts be in writing. Poised at the center of the conundrum was the right of AutoZone to terminate within the year and PBR's continued affiliation to AutoZone's name. As a measure of finality, the court declared validity over PBR and AutoZone's verbal agreement, prompting the statute of frauds to stand down. The verdict was entrenched in the rationale that if AutoZone could fulfill its obligation through 1 year's sponsorship of PBR, the agreement qualifies to be exempted from the statute of frauds, despite the ability to terminate the contract. This milestone judgment shone a spotlight on the flexibility and reliability of oral contracts, rewriting the rules of contractual obligations and promising a steady tide of forthcoming debates.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class